Room 2016.
Third corridor, left side. The designation appears on the wall each morning, then fades once registered. The walls carry only small sounds, weight shifting, controlled steps, something placed down and not moved again. Contact with one another has not occurred in 16 years. No record indicated a need for it, and there is no need to do things without a need. Corridors are timed to prevent overlap. Doors open and close in sequence. Routes are adjusted in real time. If two paths intersect, one is delayed.
No contact.
The reasoning changed over time. First disease, then conflict. Later, something less defined. Patterns of speech, shared ideas, the formation of groups. Most tasks are completed automatically. A human presence remains necessary for validation, though the requirement is debated.
I should fix my battery.
Nutritional intake was reduced to the form of a homogeneous block, algae-based, engineered after supply collapse.
Water shortages, soil depletion, loss of livestock.
Algae are stable. Algae are sufficient.
There used to be animals once, I think. I've seen images. Something about fur, unpredictability, wildness. But they don't show these anymore.
Speech is still possible. It is simply narrowed. But contact with one another has not occurred in 20 years. So we don't speak. Longevity treatments extended life expectancy, but not access. Population increased, therefore a natural selection followed. Natural, maybe a not so natural selection.
The system maintains balance.
The building extends beyond visible range. Lower levels were sealed after environmental failure.
I think he's dead.
Swim for your life!
He was dead.
Flooding, global warming, instability. Upper levels continue to develop.
But I still sit and wait. For a moment, there's a delay.